Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janvi. I'm a bridal makeup artist based in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. So in today's video, I bring you this blue smoky eye glam look, which I know you will love. This year, blue has been everywhere, from fashion runways to the accounts of top makeup artists. It's the color of the season, and I couldn't resist creating my own take on this trend. It's very easy to achieve, and I'm going to guide you through every step so you can recreate it on your own. So grab your favorite brushes and let's dive into this look. Before I start with the eye makeup, it's important that I prep my skin. I'm first moisturizing my face with this Emollient moisturizer. This is a great moisturizer for dry skin. Since I have oily skin, I can use it moderately. Next, I'm going to use a concealer that is one shade darker or the same as my skin tone to correct the discoloration I have around my eyes, mouth, and on acne spots. Let's prep the eyes too. Apply a small amount all over your eyelid and blend it out evenly. Let's get started with the contour first. I'm using the shade Espresso from LA Girl and I'm applying it to the usual spots under the cheekbones, along the jawline, and a bit on the sides of my nose. I find that contouring my face first gives a much softer and more natural finish once the foundation is blended on top. It really helps the contour blend seamlessly into the skin, making it look less harsh and more like a natural shadow. Now I'm applying foundation with a spatula. I wanted to try out this technique to see if it really thins down the application, and yes, it does. I love how it looks on the skin. As you can see, it gives such a smooth and even finish. You can see how beautifully it blends. Now I'm applying the same concealer I used earlier and adding a touch of a lighter shade to highlight my under eyes. This will not only cover any discoloration but also brighten and lift this area. Then I'm going to set my under eyes and the rest of my face with a loose powder. Using a damp beauty blender to apply the powder gives more coverage and a flawless finish. As someone with oily skin, I love this technique because it perfectly sets my makeup and keeps it in place all day. Next, I am going to define my brows using this Trio kit from C2P Professional. I will lightly fill in the brows and then brush them up for a natural polished look. First, I'm taking this blue pencil liner and applying it close to my lash line on the eyelid. Precision isn't crucial here because we will be smudging it out later with a bullet pencil brush. After smudging out the liner, I decided to add a small wing. I gently applied more pencil on the outer corner and smudged it to create a soft wing effect. Oh, I realized I forgot to apply powder underneath my eyes. This helps catch any fallout, especially when working with bright colors. Now I'm taking this dark blue eyeshadow with a shader brush and packing it on top of the smudged liner to set it. Then I will diffuse the edges using a lighter blue shade on a small blending brush. Keeping the blending light-handed and precise is key here. I'm using a light blue shade as a transition color to create a beautiful gradient for this look. To add a bit of glam, I'm applying this blue shimmer shadow with my finger. Notice how it instantly adds oomph to the look. I'm repeating the same steps on my lower lash line to ensure the entire eye look is cohesive. Finishing off with a good coat of mascara. If you want to amp up the glam, you can also apply false lashes like I am doing. Now that we are done with the eye makeup, I'm moving on to the rest of my face. To add warmth, I'm using this palette from Swiss Beauty, which includes a bronzer, blush, and highlighter. For the blush, I opted for peachy tones to balance out the entire makeup look. Now for the lips, I am starting with a lip liner from PAC in the shade brown. It appeared a bit light on me, so I'm adjusting with a nude brown lipstick from Inside Cosmetics that has warm tones in it. I wasn't really sure of how this entire lipstick shade was looking on me, so I went ahead with a dark brown lip liner. I always use this technique whenever I feel unsure about a lip shade. This technique helps add definition and balances out any uneven tones. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this blue smoky eye look and also you enjoyed following along the steps. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me what you think or any other looks you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.